How to create and set up discount codes on your Shopify store. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss discount codes, how to create them, and the different types that you can actually create with Shopify. So let's just go ahead and get started right away. So first, in order to create a default discount code, all you need to do is first log into your Shopify admin. From the main dashboard, you should be able to find the discounts option. You simply just want to click on that. And this is going to be where you find all the different discounts that you have, and you can feel free to remove them if you don't need them anymore, and it's just going to be a full list of the discounts. But it's also going to be where you create them in the first place. So all you need to do to create one is click on create discount from the top right corner, and now we're going to find different types of discounts that we can apply. Now, all of these types can actually be codes, so it's fine, but here we have the first one, which is amount of products. This is just going to be selecting specific products or collection that you want to take an amount off. It could be percentage or flat amount. We also have the other type, which is buy X, get Y. It's very simple. You basically just buy, let's say, three, item B, and then you're just going to get item A for free. We also have amount off order. This is going to be the total amount of the order. You're just going to take, let's say, 10% off the entire order instead of specific products. Or the last one is going to be the free shipping one. So let's just go and do the first one here, amount of products, for example. We click on it and we're going to have two different methods, the discount code and the automatic discount. If you just select automatic discount, it's just going to be basically auto applied without having to do anything extra. If it's a discount code, you want to actually go ahead and add a code in here. You can either generate a random code by clicking on this, or you can just go ahead and add a code yourself, like save 10 here, for example. So if someone actually wants to apply this discount, they need to go to the checkout and add a save 10 in the discount box, and they should get the discount. Now here we have the other options here, for example, like the value of the discount. So whether it's going to be percentage or fixed amount, you can just feel free to pick whichever one that you like, and obviously add the percentage. Then you want to also specify which products or collections this is going to apply to. I'm just going to select specific products, and I'm just going to pick random ones here, and I'm just going to click on add. So now this is only going to be applied to these two different products. Now we have also other options like the eligibility of it, so whether it's going to work for all customers or specific ones. And you also have the minimum purchase requirements. This is going to be basically if you are going to apply this to anybody who uses the code, or they actually need to buy with a specific amount of money or minimum quantity of items. This is going to be optional, and you can feel free to set it up as you like. Next up, you have the maximum discount uses. This is going to be how many times people can actually use it. You have two different options here. The second one is the popular one, which is limit to one use per customer. So one customer can use it only once, and that's it. So if you want this, just toggle this on. The second one here is limit number of times this discount can be used in total. This is going to be more like the discount is going to work for the first 15 people, and then it's just going to stop. If you want to use this one, toggle it on and then just set how many times you want this discount to be applied. Then you also have combinations. For combinations, it's basically any other discount that you want to also be applied at the same time with this one. By default, all of them are going to be off, so it's only going to be this discount that is applied. It's not going to be these three at the same time. Lastly, here we have active dates. So this is going to be where you set up when you actually want it to be activated, and also if you want to set an end date, you can just toggle this on and specify the time for it. And now you simply just want to go ahead and click on save. And now we have set up our first discount. It's going to be save 10, and now it is applied. So anybody who goes to checkout, they add the save 10 code, they will get a 10% off of these two products that we have selected. Let's just go and create another one, just one more. So we can click on create discount one more time, click on buy X and get Y. Let's try this one this time. And then we just want to add another code here. So I just named it buy G get S. It's just a random code here that I just thought of, but you can really just make it anything that you like. You can make it again a code or an automatic discount. It's up to you. So we have two different options here. It's going to be either the minimum quantity of items or the minimum purchase amount. I'm just going to select the minimum quantity of items. So let's say if they buy 3, of this specific product, then they will get the other thing. So let's just say if they buy 3 of this sample golden bracelet, they will actually get the 1 of the silver jewelry here. So I'm just going to add this. And if you want, you can even make it for free, or you can even just make it a little bit cheaper, this one. So it's up to you. I'm just going to leave it for free. So this means that if they buy 3 of this, they will get this one for free. And if they go for 6 here for this one, they will end up getting 2 for this one. So without me changing this, so let's just go with 3. So if they buy 6 of these, they're going to get 2 of them because it's just going to keep applying. However, if you want it to be just once per order, you can just feel free to set this up to be 1 or 2 or however many times you actually like here. Next up, we have again the same options here. The maximum discount usage is going to be the same, and also the combinations. So once you're happy with all of this, you simply just want to click on save, and again, now it is pretty much done. And yeah, generally speaking, now you know exactly how to create discount codes for your Shopify store. And by the way, as long as the status is active, that means that it is working. You can feel free to actually just remove any of them by just highlighting it and removing it. You can just click on the 3 dots here, delete discount, and it's no longer going to work. It's as simple as that. So yeah, with that being said, hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.